G'day everybody, my name is Jamie Holder. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo is what I'm going to unbox for you today. I'm going to show you a little trick right at the very end as well, what you can do with the case as well, just in case you just didn't know. It's kind of handy. But here we go. So let's go. Let's do this bad boy. So here is the box. As you can see on the side, it just gives you all the little fancy what you get inside the box. And also just the back, just in case you've never had one before, so you can actually download where you need to go to download the bits and pieces, and then just a little flat bit. Alright, so first of all, we're going to open this up, and we've got this, and we have this here. So let's move that out. So here is the pocket, that's the case. And the first thing we've got to do is we've got to get rid of all these little stickers and all these little yellow bits and pieces, which is everywhere before we can even turn it on, so we don't jam everything up. So there's actually quite a lot of this stuff. So basically we have the camera, just removing all these stickers. I already know what all these little stickers. Alright, so that is the actual pocket. It actually fits very nice in my hand, very nice. Alright, and that is the case there. So we have a pocket, we got the case, we're going to chuck it back in there for a moment. Alright. Couple of gel packets, and we're still going. Perfect, that's everything out of that box. So you got the little phone connector. So at the moment we have the case. We have the little phone connector. We have the little joystick. That's kind of handy, I love that bad boy. Another phone connector, that is the USB-C, that's what I'll be using. Straight on that one. That is the lens, the wide angle lens. Tell you what, they package these things so damn well. And that's a little fluff ball for the actual speaker, for your actual wireless microphone. Alright. Your instruction booklets with some stickers and some stickers, DJI stickers, which are kind of nice, just in case I'll end up giving them probably to the kids or something like that. Then inside the box, we have, I love this thing. This actually feels really good. It actually feels quality. It doesn't feel like a cheap tripod. It's actually got a bit of weight. It actually feels really, really good. Here is the wireless microphone, which is absolutely fantastic. Just remember you can connect lapel mics to this one here, so that's the thing that goes on your collar. This here is the extension, basically a little extension handle at the end of the day, or the go-to, the everywhere handle, whatever they want to call it. And here is the tripod mount at the end. That's the tripod mount. I find this extremely handy, the two USB-Cs, so you can charge two things at once. So obviously you can charge that and this at the same time, which is absolutely fantastic. I feel like that is just extremely handy. That is just going in the bag. Alright, cool. So we have everything here. This is everything you get with it. I'm just going to place a couple of things across over the side for now. Alright, everything is out. I just swapped this out for this bad boy. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you a trick. When you're going out in the field or whatever you're wanting to do, you can actually chuck this here. All right, move this around. There is your tripod. Your wireless microphone connects perfectly on the top there. All right, just on top. Wireless microphone. Your do-it-all handle. What do we do with the do-it-all handle? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take that off, this bottom one off. It's just a little plastic basic cover. We're not going to worry about this one here because we don't need it. We can take the do-it-all handle at this point in time. We're going to go up at the thing, we're going to plug it in. Make sure we've got it in connect correct, that's right. So now we've got the do-it-all handle all connected. Right, so we've got everything connected there. Just the do-it-all handle just puts basically a bit more of an extension onto it. At the end of the day, it does a few things which are absolutely fantastic. We also do have our wide-angled lens. And we are going to place that just in there. So you need that just in case down the track. I'm not overly going to use this, but I'm going to place it in there at this point in time. So we're just basically putting, now I'm going to use the USB-C more than anything when I am connecting this part here to the phone. Sometimes I won't need it because I do have the little goopy whacker there, which I actually do kind of prefer. Then, spin that camera around because it's going to get damaged the way it is. We place it in there, and there you go. So when you're going out, you actually do have everything that you need in your hand ready to go. This is what I find actually quite clever by DJI's path. It is just a very clever thing to actually do. We have this all in our hand ready to go. So you've got your wireless microphone, you've got this, you've got, you know, your tripod stand, you've got your wide lens inside. Everything is ready to go in the one little packet. And that is what is fantastic about having the DJI Pocket 2, is everything is just nice and handy whenever you need it. So now it is just, we're out on the field, bang, and we're ready to go. So there you go, that is basically a very quick rundown of the DJI Pocket 2. Also just what you can do with the case, because it is quite handy. Just in case you didn't know, you can chuck your little tripod there, your wireless microphone up on the top, and there is your Pocket 2 Go, ready to go whenever you are. I do hope you like the video. If you do, it'd be awesome if you hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button, really does help the channel. Other than that, as always, I do hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers, mate.